When it comes to intelligence in the animal world, we often only think of humans. However, besides us, there are many other animal species that possess exceptional intelligence, demonstrated through their ability to solve problems, communicate, learn, and even create. Let's explore the top 5 animal species with astonishing intelligence that nature has bestowed. First of all, dolphins cannot be left unmentioned. Dolphins are always regarded as the scholars of the ocean. They have the ability to communicate complexly through distinct sounds, and each individual even has its own name. Scientists have recorded that dolphins know how to work in groups when hunting, use tools like bubbles to herd fish, and even know how to play and clearly express emotions. Experiments have shown that dolphins can recognize themselves in a mirror, a sign of self-awareness that is extremely rare in the animal kingdom. Next is the chimpanzee, the closest relative to humans. Chimpanzees not only know how to use simple tools like sticks to extract termite nests, but they can also learn new behaviors through observation and imitation. They can solve logical problems, have the ability to remember complex number sequences, and even understand some sign languages taught by humans. Studies also show that chimpanzees can plan for the future, share food, and even have emotions such as empathy, jealousy, or sadness. Another representative of terrestrial intelligence is the crow, a bird with a small but extremely sharp brain. Crows are famous for their ability to make and use tools. They know how to bend wire to get food, drop stones into water bottles to raise the water level, and remember human faces for many years. Moreover, crows can plan, cooperate when hunting, and even organize rituals when a fellow crow dies. The fourth species is the elephant, the giants of the savannah. Elephants have excellent memories. They can clearly remember paths, water sources, and dangers for many years. Elephants also know how to use branches to shoo away flies, provide shade, and demonstrate a deep sense of community. When an elephant dies, the herd often returns to that spot multiple times, showing mourning. Elephants also help their peers, displaying compassion and learning new skills from older elephants. Finally, we cannot forget the octopus, the genius of the deep sea. The octopus stands out with its ability to use flexible tentacles, knows how to open jar lids, move through narrow gaps, and even solve complex puzzles posed by scientists. The octopus also has excellent camouflage abilities, remembers its habitat, and learns very quickly. Despite its short lifespan, it still manages to leave a deep impression of intelligence in the animal world. In general, intelligence is not only a privilege of humans. The animals mentioned above have proven that nature always holds wonderful secrets about cognition, creativity, and emotions. Each species has its own way of adapting, surviving, and expressing its intelligence, making us admire and reflect on the diversity as well as the unexplored potential in the living world around us.